Hello. In this video, you will learn how to translate courses in Articulate Rise using Smartcat. In Articulate Rise, open the course you want to translate, duplicate it, and rename it based on the target language. Open duplicated copy, go to the Settings tab, and click Export ZLIF file, and save the ZLIF file. In Smartcat, click Translate a file, choose your source and target languages, and upload the ZLIF file. You can also drag and drop it. Then click Translate Files. Smartcat uses advanced machine translation to process your file fast and efficiently. Download the translated ZLIF, head back to Rise, and import it into the corresponding course copy in Rise. Preview the translated course to check formatting and accuracy. Make any tweaks needed to ensure clean layout and clarity. And that's it. A quick and scalable way to localize your Rise courses using Smartcat. Perfect for global training rollouts. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.